Good morning and welcome to your morning practice. This is a short and sweet stretch to help you start your day on the right note. You don't need any props, so when you're ready, start in a comfortable seated position. Root down into your seat and lift up tall through your spine. Roll your shoulders down your back. Inhale, stretch the crown of your head toward the sky. Exhale, release your left ear toward your left shoulder. Soften your neck and jaw. Slowly roll your chin down toward your chest and let your head hang heavy. Inhale, roll your right ear toward your right shoulder and soften your jaw. Exhale, slowly draw your head back up to neutral. Rest your fingertips on your shoulders and slowly roll circles with your elbows toward the back of your mat. On your next breath, reverse directions with your circles. Gently release your arms and rest your right hand beside your hip. Inhale, stretch your left arm to the sky. Exhale, side bend toward the right. Lengthen across your left side body. Inhale, rise back up. Release your left hand down and reach your right arm high. Exhale, side bend toward the left and lengthen your right side. Inhale, slowly rise back up. Exhale, switch the cross of your legs. Inhale, sweep your arms toward the sky. Exhale, release your hands down in front of you and slowly walk them forward as you fold your torso down. Slowly rise back up and take your right hand behind you. Rest your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, unwind your twist and turn the opposite way. Lengthen your spine with every inhale and twist your chest toward the left with every exhale. Slowly unwind your twist and plant your palms. Roll forward onto all fours. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Inhale, soften your belly toward the floor, broaden your chest, and look up. Exhale, round into your back body and tuck your chin toward your chest. Inhale, melt your torso toward the floor and lift your heart. Exhale, curl in on yourself and round your spine. Flow through cat and cow one more time at your own pace. And then slowly return to center. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, thread your right arm under your left and soften your shoulder and cheek to the floor. Reach your left arm up and bend your elbow to rest your hand on your lower back or catch hold of your inner right thigh. Return your left hand to the floor and root down to rise back up to all fours. Inhale, reach your left arm up high. Exhale, thread your left arm under your right and soften your shoulder and cheek to the mat. Reach your right arm up and bend your elbow to rest your hand onto your lower back or to wrap around your left thigh. Turn your torso open toward the right. Release your right hand back down and ground against the floor to rise back up to all fours. Bring your big toes to touch and soften the weight of your hips down toward your heels. Melt your torso forward into child's pose. Walk your hands over to the right and lengthen your left side body. Slowly walk your hands to the left to lengthen your right side body. Gently return your hands to center and round up through your whole spine to rise up to sit. Inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring your palms to meet in front of your heart and gently bow your chin towards your chest. Give thanks for your practice. See you next time. If you'd like to see more classes like this, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe.